In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create payment links in Go High Level. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple, shareable link your customers can use to pay you online without needing a full checkout page or funnel. First, log into your Go High Level account and make sure you're in the correct location or sub-account where you want to accept payments. From your main left-hand sidebar, look for the option labeled Payments. Go ahead and click on Payments. This takes you to the area where all your products, transactions, and payment tools are managed. Once you're on the Payments page, you'll see different tabs or sections. Find and select the tab called Payment Links. This section is specifically designed for creating and managing links that you can send directly to your clients by email, text, or even embed in chats and social media. If you already have existing payment links, you'll see them listed here. If not, this page will be blank, which is totally fine. Next, we're going to create a brand new link. Look for the button that says Create Link and click on it. This will open up a setup screen where you can configure all the details for your payment link. Think of this as building a mini checkout experience. On the setup page, start by entering a clear name for your link. This is usually internal, so choose something that helps you recognize what it's for, like consultation call, monthly membership, or course access. Then, select the product or item you want to charge for. Depending on how your account is set up, you might choose a one-time product, a subscription, or another pricing option available in your payments configuration. You may also see fields for price, currency, and description. Make sure the price is correct and the currency is set to what you actually charge in. Use the description to briefly explain what the customer is paying for, as this helps reduce confusion and chargebacks. If there are options for quantity, recurring settings, or thank you messaging, review those carefully and set them according to how you want the payment to behave. Take a moment to double check everything, the product, amount, and any recurring details. When you're happy with the setup, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click Save. After saving, your payment link will be generated and added to your list of payment links. From there, you can copy it and start sharing it with your customers wherever you communicate with them.